So dear cadets, good morning. So yesterday I have completed different types of lenses and the characteristics of images formed by those lenses. Okay, their uses. So basically most of the part of this unit is related with the mirror and the lenses. The last part is related with the sunlight. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about the sunlight. Okay, so here the question, this topic itself started with one question: sunlight is white or colored? Okay, sunlight is white or colored? To know about the answer, we have to perform some experiment. Experiment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll go for the conclusion. Okay, so just try to understand whether the sunlight is white or colored. First we'll do this experiment. What is the first experiment? First experiment is, just try to understand. Suppose rainfall is there, and after rainfall, when sun is very low, what is the meaning of sun is very low? When sun is about to set. Okay, so at that time what you will see? You will see the band of 7 colors appear in the sky. They are known as rainbow. What is that one? Rainbow. If you see clearly rainbow, then you will get the 7 colors. What are those 7 colors? Here I have given you the short form. Okay, VIVGYOR. V means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So in what is there? Rainbow, you will get these 7 colors. There is no means line of separation. The moment one color is over, another color starts. So just try to understand. The basic question arises here. In the sky, whatever band of 7 color is appearing, from where they are appearing? Of course, they are appearing from the sunlight only, because sun is the ultimate source of energy and light on this universe. Okay, actually how rainbow is formed? Try to understand. When rain is happened, okay, after rain, what is there? In the atmosphere, there are some hanging water droplets. What are there? Hanging water droplets. Those hanging water droplets act as a prism, and when sunlight pass through those water droplets, so sunlight dispersed into 7 colors. What is there? 7 colors, and means split in dispersion, you understand in symbol language, split into 7 colors. So just see, in the sky so many water droplets are there, and all water droplets are acting as a small prism. Okay, and when the sunlight passes through those water droplets, that is split into 7 colors, and those 7 colors are visible in the form of rainbow. Okay, so this is the first experiment which proves that sunlight is consisted of 7 colors, because when sunlight passes through the small droplets of water which are acting as a prism, so that is split into 7 colors. So sunlight is only passing now. So if they are splitting into 7 colors, it means sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Okay, so the first experiment reveals that one. Experiment number 2. Okay, just try to understand. Second one is passing the beam of light from the prism. Just see, morning time when sun is about to rise, okay, if in your house window small holes are there, so the beam of light is coming. Okay, if you have got one prism, so just beam of light make to pass through the prism. So when, and now concentrate that passed light on the white wall or white paper. So what you will see? Again you will see the 7 colors. Again you will see the 7 colors. So what does it indicate? It indicates that sunlight is made up of 7 colors. This is the second evidence in favor of 7 colors of sunlight. So experiment number 3, blow soap bubbles. Just see, soap bubbles you might have seen. whenever you are playing with the solution of soap, some bubbles are forming or not. So those bubbles are acting as a prism if sunlight is passed. So what is there? It appears colored, 7 colors. So sunlight is not white, it is color. Who is explaining this one? Blow soap bubbles reveals that one. That sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Okay. Another one, experiment 4, reflection of light from CD. CD means compact disc. Everybody know about the CD. CD surface is very shiny and very means that is the reflecting surface. If sunlight falls on that one, that shows 7 colors. Means it is colored now. It appears colored. Why? Because this is also acting as a prism, and when sunlight passes through it, that is split into 7 colors. So this also explains that sunlight is not white, it is colored. Another one, very simple experiment, and you can do at your home, that is Newton's disc. Newton's disc. Okay, and their diagram is given in the NCERT book. You have to make it. This is the book. This is the Newton disc. Please see this one, Newton disc. How to make, I will tell you. Just try to understand. Take one cardboard, okay, and cut it circular, okay, and after cutting circular, just paint with the 7 color, the small portion. Suppose this is circular disc, okay. Now here just see, one portion should be painted with violet, other should be indigo, another should be blue, then green, then yellow, then orange, then red. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, just see, 7 colors should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, just see, now in my diagram the size is unequal. You divide in a such a way so that their length, means their size should be equal. Okay, so you just paint it. Okay, after painting, so you will get the disc which is painted with 7 color. Okay, now this disc, just make a small hole at the center. Okay, and now fix that disc with the stick. Okay, even refill of pen also, blue dot pen you can use. Okay, and now rotate it fastly. So when you rotate, what you will see? You will not see any color. It appears to be whitish. But when it is static, card disc board is static, then all 7 color appear. So what does it indicate? It indicates that sunlight is spread throughout the length and width of the sky. That is why it appears to be white, but actually it is colored. Okay, now in this disc board you can fit the motor also. Okay, motor, just see, if you would have been here, I could have given you one project, one motor. So with the help of motor, whenever one button is there, on the button that will rotate, when off the button that will static. So very easily it can be done, and you can do at your home also. So by seeing all these experiment, what is the conclusion? Conclusion is sunlight is appear to be white. Here you write, sunlight is appear whitish, but it consisted, but actually, you write here, but actually it consisted of 7 colors. It consisted of 7 colors. Did you get or not? Sunlight is appear to be whitish, but actually it consisted of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So all these experiment reveals this one. So ultimately our conclusion is sunlight is not white, sunlight is colored. Okay, and now on the basis of this one, some questions are there. So note down those questions also. So dear cadets, on the basis of explanation of those experiment, okay, just note down these questions. How many colors are there in rainbow? Name them. Okay, so rainbow consisted of 7 colors. You can name them: violet, indigo, red, blue, orange, yellow, green, red. Okay, you can name them or not? Very easily you can write the answer. Next one is, does white light consist of 7 colors? Name them. Yes, white light consisted of 7 colors. Again you have to name them. It is easy, there is no problem. Next question is, what is Newton's disk? Newton's disk, draw its diagram. Okay, so the Newton's disk definition I am explaining you. A disk which consists of 7 colors and appears to be whitish when rotated freely. When rotated freely, that is known as Newton disk. Diagram you can make. NCERT book I have shown you. There is one more question. Name the process of splitting of white light into 7 color when it pass through the prism. So here just note down this question this side. Here question number 4. Name the process of splitting of white light into 7 color when it pass through prism. Okay, so answer is dispersion. What is this one? Dispersion. What is this one? Dispersion. No problem. Okay, so just today I am not giving any additional question, just you write the answer of these questions. Okay, I hope that you can complete this one. And now in this way this unit is also finished only. Okay, now NCERT exercise is there, so I will complete the NCERT exercise tomorrow onwards. Okay, one by one. Don't worry that previous chapter NCERT exercise I have not forgotten. I will complete that one also, but since I have completed this chapter just now, so it is better to complete their exercise, NCERT exercise first. Okay, thank you.